Hi students, welcome to chemistry online class. Good morning to all. I hope all are fine. So previously we discussed chemistry in 3 classes. First class introduction, next class paper pattern, and next class subatomic particles. Now we are going to made a table according to subatomic particles weight, next charge, next mass in atomic mass units. If you know this table, the total information of these subatomic particles like electron, proton, neutron will be given in this table. So table we are going to make. See students, here this is the table we are going to make. In the table, the first column I am going to take a serial number, the next column symbol, the next column symbol, the next column absolute charge in coulombs, next relative charge, next mass in kgs, next mass in units, next approximate mass we are going to take. So these are the columns I am going to take in this table. Okay, say students, so mass in units, mass in kgs, relative charge, next absolute charge, next symbol, next serial number I am going to take. See first one, serial number 1. See one more column I have to take students, name and symbol. In this column I am going to take a name and symbol. Okay, so these are the columns I am going to take. In first column serial number, okay. See, we are going to make a table. In first column serial number, and name electron, its symbol is E. Absolute charge is minus 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Relative charge is minus 1. Mass 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kgs. Mass in units is nothing but 0.000548 atomic mass units. Approximate mass is nothing but 0. This is a mass we are taking in AMU, atomic mass units. Okay, then number 2, its a symbol is electron E. Okay, next fundamental particle, second one is nothing but proton. Its symbol is P. Its symbol is P. Its charge is plus 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Charge C for coulombs. Next here we are taking relative charge plus 1. Its mass is 1.672. Its mass is 1.672. 672 into 10 power minus 24 10 power minus 24 grams and 10 power minus 27 kg. Its mass in atomic mass units 1.007276 AMU. Approximate mass is nothing but plus 1. Approximate mass is nothing but plus 1. Next third one is a neutron. Its symbol is N. Its symbol is N. Absolute charge of the neutron is 0. Absolute charge is 0. Relative charge also 0 because it is a no charged particle having no charge. Then mass is nothing but it is a slightly higher than proton mass, 1.675 into 10 power minus 27 kg. Already no need of writing kg, already here mass is given in kgs now, so no need of writing kgs. 27. Its mass is 1.008776 AMU. It is nothing but plus 1. Newton mass is nothing but plus 1. So this is a table. One more column I have to take here. I forgot that name and a symbol I am taking in one column. Serial number, name, absolute charge. Here C equal to coulombs. COLOUMBS. C equal to coulombs. Relative charge. Mass in kgs. Mass in atomic mass units. So this is approximate mass. So if you know this table, then you will get information about subatomic particles. All is in same place. Okay, so this is the way. Right, students, how to copy it. This table you have to copy. I am giving 2 minutes time for copying. Okay. Then after a discussion of about subatomic particles, now the need is arise to discuss about models. atomic models. So subatomic particles, atom, you know, which is the smallest particle useful to construct the matter, and atom contains subatomic particles like electron, proton, neutron. See students, after discovery of subatomic particles, the need is arised to discuss about atomic models. Atomic models. What's the need of discussing atomic models means how the arrangement of subatomic particles in the atom. If you want to know that, you have to look inside the atom. You have to look inside the atom. So now we are going to discuss atomic models. Atomic models. The first atomic model was given by J.J. Thomson. That is nothing but Thomson atomic model. Thomson atomic model. According to Thomson, the first atomic model was proposed by J.J. Thomson. Who proposed? J.J. Thomson. When? 1898. 1898. According to J.J. Thomson, atom is a spherical. Atom is a spherical. Atom is a spherical, which having radius 10 power minus 10 meters. 10 power minus 10 meters. So this is the atom. This is the atom. Atom is a spherical, which having radius 10 power minus 10 meters. In the atom, positive charge is uniformly distributed all over the atom. Positive charge is uniformly distributed all over the atom. See, like this. Positive charge is distributed uniformly all over the atom like this. Okay. In between the positive charge, electrons, this is nothing but a positive charge. This is nothing but a positive charge. Positive charge is uniformly distributed all over the atom. In between the positive charge, electrons are embedded. In between the positive charge, electrons are embedded like this. Electrons. These are electrons. These are electrons which having negative charge. See, according to J.J. Thomson atomic model, atom is a spherical which having radius 10 power minus 10 meters. In the atom, the The dots are nothing but positive charge which is uniformly distributed all over the atom. In the positive charge, electrons are embedded like this. So this Thomson model is as like as a watermelon. This is as like as a watermelon. If you cut the watermelon, the red substance is nothing but a positive charge and the seeds are, black seeds are nothing but electrons. He said that according to Thomson atomic model. So it is nothing but a example watermelon. So watermelon, plum pudding, we may take many examples for this. Okay. The atomic models, we have to discuss about atomic models. First one is nothing but Thomson atomic model. Thomson proposed his atomic model in 1898. According to Thomson, atom is a spherical which having radius 10 power minus 10 meters. So atom is a spherical which having radius 10 power minus 10 meters. In between, in the atom, red substance means positive charge is uniformly distributed all over the atom, and electrons are embedded into the positive charge like watermelon. If you cut the watermelon, then red substance is distributed all over the watermelon. In between the red substance is black seeds are present. They are nothing but electrons like that. Here he is stating the black seeds is nothing but electrons like this. This is the Thomson atomic model. So later it was failed to explain neutrality, electrical neutrality of atom. It fails to explain electrical neutrality of atom. Then we have to discuss one more model, that is nothing but this is the first model of atom, and this is the second model of atom, which is nothing but Rutherford atomic model. Rutherford atomic model. This is the second atomic model. So for explaining this atomic model, Rutherford conducted a experiment, that is nothing but a alpha ray scattering experiment. After conducting that experiment, he given some conclusions. What are the conclusions given by Rutherford means? So first one is nothing but atom is a spherical. According to Rutherford also, atom is a spherical. Atom is a spherical which having radius 10 power minus 10 meters, having nucleus 10 power minus 15 meters. 10 power minus 15 meters. So here, according to Rutherford, atom is a spherical which having radius 10 power minus 10 meters and which having nucleus 10 power minus 15 meters. 10 power minus 15 meters. After that, so according to Rutherford, positive charge is not uniformly distributed. So positive charge is concentrated in the center of the atom in a small region. Positive charge is concentrated at the center of the atom in a small region. That is called nucleus. Means, so here it is a atom. It is a atom which having spherical. Here in the atom is a spherical which having 10 power minus 10 meters and a nucleus which is nothing but 10 power minus 15 meters. In the atom, positive charge is concentrated in a small region at the center of the atom. Positive charge is concentrated in a small region. It is called nucleus. It is called a nucleus. This nothing but a positive charge. Nothing but a positive charge. Positive charge is concentrated in a small region which is called a nucleus. Nucleus radius is 10 power minus 15 meters. Nucleus contains protons plus neutrons. Protons plus neutrons. So it is nothing but a nucleus. Nucleus which contains protons plus neutrons. Next, second conclusion. Second conclusion is nothing but electrons revolve around the nucleus in circular paths. See like this. Electrons revolve around the nucleus like a circular paths. These circular paths are called orbits. These circular paths are called orbits. It is called nucleus. These circular paths are called orbits. These are electrons. Electrons revolve around the nucleus in a circular path. These circular paths are called orbits. How planets revolve around the sun? Like that, electrons revolve around the nucleus in circular paths according to Rutherford. So, Rutherford atomic model system is nothing but a planetary motion. Like a small solar, we may consider this model like as a small solar system, which is a solar system. We may consider Rutherford atomic model like a smaller system. In solar system, planets are revolve around the sun like that. Here, electrons are revolving around the sun in circular paths. These circular paths are called orbits. Like that's why electrons revolve around the nucleus now. That's why the system is, we may compare like a solar system. Planetary model of an atom. The system is like that, planetary model of an atom. Next, here this is conclusions of Rutherford atomic model. Atom is a spherical, radius is 10 power minus 10 meters, nucleus radius is 10 power minus 15 meters. Nucleus means in the atom at the center in a small region, positive charge is concentrated. That is nothing but a nucleus. Nucleus contains protons plus neutrons. Then electrons revolve around the nucleus in circular paths. These circular paths are called orbits. So the orbits like this. Next, how the model we can compare like a solar system, we can call like solar system. In the solar system, what happens? Electrons means planets revolve around the sun like that. Here electrons revolve around the nucleus now. So we may compare, this is like a small solar system. It is Rutherford atomic model. It is Thomson atomic model. So Thomson atomic model is against to Rutherford atomic model. Why? Because here positive charge is uniformly distributed all over the atom, but here positive charge is concentrated in a small region at the center of the atom. So this is updated. Okay. Okay. Right now, Rutherford atomic model. Some more points are there. Then we have to discuss. हाँ, no need, no need.
जरा एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं जब तक बोर्ड क्लियर कर देते
So पूरे बोल्ड